Friends, this is Vijay Sinha. Today I'm going to talk about something that is very important in our life and it's very dear to me, and which is food and cooking. I'm very passionate about cooking. I'm always looking for new recipes. You can find me online or on my phone all the time. So IAG has taken a lot of initiative in keeping us very motivated and staying positive, particularly at this time where everybody is kind of staying home and not doing much productive work, like interacting with people, trying to get guests at home, celebrating festivals, interacting with other relatives. So it's really important that we stay focused and we also at the same time eat healthy home cooked food. So IAG has taken this initiative of showing you, and of course me too, some home cooked food cooked by IAG committee and community. We're going to present you some very easy, the dishes that are cooked in the house, in our kitchen, and now we're bringing them to your kitchen. So we're going to present a series of cooking videos. It's going to last for a few weeks, could be months. And you're going to learn some dishes that are cooked in our own kitchen. And you can just follow the recipe step by step. And I'm pretty sure soon you'll be able to cook those yummy dishes in your own kitchen. So stay tuned. We'll be presenting you sweets. We're going to present you savory dishes. So आप enjoy करिए, because I always believe there is an opportunity in adversity. So it's okay. COVID-19 has made us stay home, made us not to venture out, but at the same time, it has given us opportunity to connect with each other by using this platform, which is basically virtual. So just stay tuned, and we'll be presenting you some yummy dishes. So,
hi everyone, I'm Ila Patel, and I'm going to show you all how to make Shrikhand. Shrikhand means sweet dish of strained yogurt. Shrikhand was originated in ancient India around 400 BC and soon became a dessert relished by both the rich and the poor. Shrikhand is one of the oldest desserts. Its origin may be traced from Mahabharata, where there are tales that Bhim invented this recipe and actually named it after Sri Krishna. That is Shrikhanda. Another set of opinions say that Shrikhand was invented in Mudpak Khana of Bajirao Peshwa. Western India is also credited with the first historical mention of the dish. Shrikhand is very popular in Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Maharashtra. Usually, Shrikhand is served with puris. It is high in calorie, high in protein, high in carbohydrates, high in fat and cholesterol. It has vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, vitamin C, folic acid, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and sodium. Now I'm going to show you how Shrikhand is prepared. Thank you and enjoy. Okay, so here we begin. Here we have 5 pounds of whole milk curd. Whole milk, 5 pounds yogurt. Two and 3/4 pound of sugar, granulated sugar, chopped almonds, chopped pistachio, elaichi powder, milk, saffron. These are all your ingredients that you require to make Shrikhand. I'm going to take this 5-pound curd yogurt and put it in a cloth. Put cloth over here like that, and then take the curd and put it all in there. There we go. And then tie the curd and leave it in there for the water to drain. Here I have the hung curd with all the water drained out of it, and you can see it's pretty hard. And I have the saffron and sugar, and I'm going to put all of these 3 ingredients in the strainer and sieve it through the strainer. And here we have the strained Shrikhand. And now I'm going to garnish it with almonds, elaichi powder, and pistachio. And here it is, Shrikhand complete, garnished with almonds, pistachio, elaichi powder, and saffron. This in the refrigerator. Here we go. Leave it there overnight.